Welcome to Bike Shift, the channel where we explore cutting-edge machines and future technology. Today's video dives into one of the most mysterious and powerful aircraft concepts ever discussed, the new Mikoyan MiG-41. Often described as the successor to the legendary MiG-31, this futuristic interceptor promises to redefine aerial combat in the coming decades. The MiG-41, also known as PAC-DP, Prospective Aviation Complex for Long-Range Interception, is believed to be under development by Mikoyan. Unlike conventional fighter jets, this aircraft is designed as a high-speed interceptor capable of handling next-generation threats, including hypersonic weapons and even targets in near space. The goal is simple yet ambitious, to create an aircraft that can operate faster, higher, and smarter than anything currently in service. One of the most exciting aspects of the MiG-41 is its expected speed. Reports suggest it could reach speeds of Mach 4 or even higher, making it one of the fastest aircraft ever built. This would surpass the already impressive capabilities of the MiG-31. Such extreme speed would allow the MiG-41 to intercept threats within minutes, covering vast distances across Russia's massive airspace. Combined with advanced engines and heat-resistant materials, this aircraft could push the limits of aviation technology. What truly sets the MiG-41 apart is its rumored ability to operate in near space. Unlike traditional fighters, it may be capable of flying at the edge of Earth's atmosphere, giving it a strategic advantage in detecting and neutralizing threats. This opens the door to intercepting hypersonic missiles and even satellites, making it a critical component of future defense systems. The MiG-41 is expected to feature next-generation stealth technology, reducing its radar signature and making it difficult to detect. In addition, it may include artificial intelligence-assisted systems, allowing for faster decision-making during combat. There are also speculations about unmanned or optionally piloted variants, meaning the aircraft could operate without a human pilot in high-risk missions. A futuristic aircraft demands futuristic weapons. The MiG-41 is rumored to carry advanced long-range missiles, possibly including hypersonic interceptors and even directed energy weapons like lasers. These capabilities would allow it to engage targets at extreme distances, ensuring dominance in both air-to-air and anti-satellite roles. In the evolving landscape of aerial warfare, speed, altitude, and technology are becoming more important than maneuverability alone. The MiG-41 is designed to dominate this new era, acting as a guardian of airspace against advanced threats. It is not just a fighter jet, it is a strategic weapon system built for the challenges of the 21st century and beyond. The new Mikoyan MiG-41 remains shrouded in secrecy, but its potential is undeniable. If developed as envisioned, it could become one of the most powerful and advanced interceptors ever created. Stay tuned to Bike Shift for more updates on futuristic machines, cutting-edge vehicles, and next-generation technology shaping our world.